Let me show you how we can get a voice changer on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, we're gonna open the Samsung Galaxy Store. Let's tap the magnifying glass in order to search for an app that is called Good Luck. There we go. Let's install it. Wait a couple of seconds, and this app provides multiple different plugins and extensions for our phone, including the voice changer. So let's press agree and continue. Now we need to scroll all the way down, and then at the bottom you will find Sound System. We need to download it, so tap on this download button on the right side, this arrow over here. Wait a couple of seconds. And once it is downloaded, scroll up to find it again, tap on it, press continue in order to grant permissions. There we go. Scroll down to find voice changer here, grant the permission again, and we can turn it on and find multiple different effects.
This is a sound test.
This is a sound test.
And this is how it sounds like.
This is a sound test.
And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!